Many students use filler words or phrases in order to pad the word count in their documents or try to sound more sophisticated.
In the end, it just waters down what you're trying to say and confuses the reader. Like broad or unclear language, filler language takes away from the clarity, authority, and effectiveness of your writing. To begin cutting away filler, you must first figure out what it is you're trying to say. Once you have a clear sense of your sentence's meaning, you can then take out what's irrelevant. Well, let's take a look at some examples. In this sentence, the author says, "It is known in the realm of healthcare that patient data is important to track." And if we break this sentence down into two halves, we see that the second half, patient data is important to track, is where the real meaning is. And that the first half, it is known in the realm of healthcare, is irrelevant and meaningless, or at least doesn't add to the meaning of the sentence. Similarly, in the next sentence, we see that it is overcomplicated by use of prepositions and prepositional phrases. A phrase like something that the clinic could improve upon from which they've been doing previously in regard to communication could easily be replaced by something as simple as the clinic could improve its communication by, and then the idea of calling patients directly. Again, the important thing is to figure out what the author is trying to say, plain and simple. The clinic needs to improve its communication by calling patients. That's the idea here. That's what the author is trying to get across. The final example has to do with the overuse of adjectives or descriptive words in abstract language. In the health sciences, you want to be as direct and exact as you can with your writing, so stay away from bolstering your language with this type of poetic diction. Here the student uses unnecessary words such as depths, dreary, sadly, when they could have simply just said, "The patient waited for the exam." Many times your writing will call for description and adjectives to explain details, but make sure you use them carefully and in a way that makes the writing more objective and exact rather than subjective and obscure.